What's going on, guys? My name is Kevin, and today we're gonna go get a log to try out Dutch's new sawmill. I hope everyone's having a great day. So I just got the grapple put back on the Kubota backhoe, the M59. And if you guys follow Keeping It Dutch, you've seen where the sawmill is not complete, but we got the motor mounted, we got everything going. We tried it out yesterday, filled it up with oil and gas, gave it a little test run. So now it is time to test it with the log. This is the Norwood HD36 for those of you that are new. The only thing we're waiting on is a back-ordered part, which is the hitch. But we're going to use the tractor loader. We're going to pull this thing out. We're going to try to get it put somewhere stationary for now until we can get the loader and all that so we can actually use it while the parts come in. I'm waiting on Dutch to show up, and then we are going to go down here. We're going to grab our steel chainsaws. And my neighbor actually had some trees blown down in a storm, and we're going to go down there and clean up a little of that for him. We're going to go haul the brush to a brush pile. We're going to bring the logs back up here, and then we'll try to get this thing moved into a stationary position, like I said, and give it a little test run. There's some little tweaking and stuff we got to do, and we still got to learn a lot of stuff. There's all kinds of stuff to these sawmills. These things are the big boys of sawmills, so it's going to be fun. It's going to be a learning adventure. It already has been. Dutch received all those boxes, and just getting those boxes out, putting them all together, it's just like a big giant puzzle. I mean, it's probably one of the hardest things we've ever done, but there was we had a good team that was reading the manuals. We all kind of pitched in and did our part. It was awesome. So got these turkeys going crazy everywhere, jumping fences. Daisy runs them off. But luckily today it's nice and sunny. It's a little bit windy, but this tree's already down. Like I said, I think it's an oak tree. I haven't looked at it real close. I just texted my neighbor. I said, hey, you got a tree down. Do you care if I go clean it up for you and take the log? I got the grapple hooked up. I got to hook up the hydraulics real quick. So let's do that while we're waiting on old Dutch. I might have to turn this thing on. Yeah. Sometimes these hydraulics are a little tricky. You got to kind of take the pressure off those hose ends there before you can actually slide those Pioneer fittings on there. But this grapple has been great, and the Kubota has been great. We've been putting it to a lot of use. This is a 59 horsepower Kubota, and right now we got the 12-inch bucket on there, and there's my little buddy, the new little white hen. You know, girl, we still haven't done your name yet. All right, so I'm gonna get my chainsaw, get all that stuff ready, and then as soon as Dutch gets here, I don't know if we're gonna mess with the sawmill first, but I think we're gonna go down and cut this log and just bring it up here real quick. So stay tuned. Ready? Go. Hey, what about that middle thing? I don't want it to hit the ground. Huh? Yeah. All right, guys, so here is the tree we're gonna try to harvest out of here. Pretty good sized tree. I think we can get a couple of logs out of here actually. This would be a good little trial test tree. So we're gonna at least cut that main log out of there. We'll haul it up there first. We might come back later and get this, and we'll try to clean it up a little bit. So gotta get the saws out and get the cutting. I think we can cut it right here, actually. I think it's not bad. Just came right here, we can go back and get this other thing. That's fine. Where's Ken at? That's the well. That's awesome. We cut it at 11. What else is that? We just cut it at 12. Where's it at? It's kind of messed up. Okay, you got Mark? Right here gonna come flying back. Want me to put the bucket under it? Probably try to grab it. This off. All right, guys, so this is a pretty good size oak tree. We're gonna try to get a 12-foot cut. So he's gonna clean it up. This part we couldn't really tell when it was in the woods, but this part's kind of rotten and hollow anyway. So he's gonna try to cut it about right here, it's the 12-foot mark, and see what we come up with. Should work.
I think it's good, dude.
There's an easy way to drop it. Well, let me hit them metal. Open it up slowly. Slowly. Open or what? A little bit. Open it up. Open. One more. Come on. Down or what? Open. Open. One more. Okay, you're good. Up. I think that's about the right height.
Also make sure that arm over there, that way far enough.
It is. Yep, it is. All right, so it's time to fire this thing up and make the first cut.
Is that on, Sean?
Did you turn mine on? Yeah.
Is that on?
Make sure. I think I did.
Ready? There's really dust all over
Turn your water on. That's just like butter. Slow down. Slow down a little bit. GoPro sitting down there on the wall.
Is that too big or is that thick enough?
Or what? I might go down. It's gonna be way lower.
Here we go.
Hold on. Yeah.
This thing came in play.
Right?
Yep.
What you think, kid?
Looks good. Got another one. What was you on? What number? Guys, I am telling you, this thing is a beast. We took a log. This is the end of it. You guys seen it? We took a log like that, and look at all these boards we made. These boards are about 11 or 12 inches wide. I haven't even measured them, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to set them back on there, and I'm going to cut them right down the middle. So I'll double the amount of boards I got here, and that'll allow me to add some lumber to my project for the goat feed bunk in the barn. Man, it is amazing turning a log like that into boards. That is crazy. I know a lot of people probably don't think it's that big a deal, but man, this is a game changer. When you are a farmer or a homesteader and you got access to timber, hardwoods, or pine, whatever, you can pretty much do anything you want if you got something like this. So luckily Dutch is nice enough to leave this over here and let us use it, and we're kind of learning this together, and we'll kind of help each other as we go. We've got a ton of stuff to learn on here. There is a lot of stuff, a lot of adjustments, a lot of things to do to get your boards perfectly straight and all that, and we'll learn as we go. But doing little projects like making lumber for the goat barn, making feed bunks and stuff, the lumber doesn't have to be perfectly dimensional or anything else like that. So it's a perfect learning project, as I like to say. But this Norwood Sawmill teamed up with this Kubota backhoe, loaded that log right on. You guys seen it, dropped it on there, super gentle, and then just went to cutting. But we got to do some adjustments, so probably the next day or two, if the weather's willing, Dutch will probably try to get back out here. We're going to try to work on some adjustments and stuff, lowering and raising all this, make it a little easier. He's going to have a lot more detail in his video. He had his camera set up and he talked a little more about stuff than I did. I pretty much just showed a lot of it. So go check out his videos if you guys are interested in more of this stuff. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this project. You think it's interesting or you think it's boring? I don't know. I think it's really cool myself. So if you're not subscribed to me or our channel, hit that subscribe button. Go check out Keeping It Dutch. Subscribe to them. Leave a comment down below. Like this video, and we'll see you next time.